Alright guys, we're back under the hood again, trying to solve this windshield wiper nozzle mystery. So I bought an aftermarket nozzle. I got a 2-pack for $6. I'm going to see if this works out. This has, hold on, sun's in my eyes, I don't know if this is focused here. Can you guys see this? So this has a brass fitting at the very end, right, which is on like a ball joint, so you can rotate it itself. I'm assuming it's going to be a flat spray, so I kind of want it to be even, you know, with the hood, but you can adjust this up and down, left and right, whatever. So like, see if I push that all the way down, like I said, there's like a little ball joint or something behind it that allows you to rotate 360, you know, that kind of thing. So I'm going to position this in the all the way down position. Let's see, the piece I think goes on like this, so I'm going to figure, hopefully this will give me the clearance that I need with whatever's going on. So I'll be back. Wish me luck. Hopefully this works out. If this doesn't work out, I finally got my recall notice for the little nut situation on the axle or whatever, so truck's going back for recall soon, and I'll have them look at this again if I can't figure it out, but I'll be back. Alright, just to show you this real quick, here's the aftermarket one. Alright, again, I push that all the way down because this is how it looks when it's installed. But also on the original, I also attempted to use tape, almost like a spacer. See, I have electrical tape, so I have it built up a little bit. I was hoping that would put, you know, downward pressure on the nozzle, because again, my issue is that it's spraying too high. Right, the hood's where my finger is. It's just, or I should say, like this. So spraying on the hood, I want to push it down. So I figured maybe if I made a little buffer, it would have enough pressure where it pushed it down enough, but not the case. So let's see if this thing works. I'd be ecstatic if it did. Be right back. All right, let's try it. No, that's worse. Damn. All right, well, that was quite disappointing. The aftermarket one, I mean, I spent about 15 to 18 minutes here just trying to adjust it every which way, but it did not do the trick. Either it was hitting the cowl or it was way too low, wasn't even hitting the windshield. And the spray itself, because I tested it once without it actually installed just to see the spray, and it's more of a mist anyway. It obviously doesn't match the same type of spray, but even if I can get it lined up, I don't know, like the wind was taking it. So I'm just sitting here. So if I'm driving on the highway and I, you know, want to wash my windshield, that's not going to work out. So aftermarkets were a dud. It was worth, you know, trying for $7. I put the original one back in there without the tape and everything. Again, I mentioned before, but I'm going for a recall soon. Whenever I do that, I will have Toyota attempt to fix this again. It is under warranty, so whatever they have to do, they got to figure it out, I guess. So we'll see what happens. But here it is again, the originals, or the original one, if you haven't seen before. Some of it's making it to the windshields, but as you can see, zoom all the way in, it's all collecting on top of the hood. It's only half spraying where it's supposed to, compared to the driver's side, hold on, which is perfect. I mean, every last drop is making it exactly where it's supposed to. No idea why, there's no rhyme or reason why that wouldn't be working. I thought maybe like a random faulty part, that could have been fine, but you know, apparently they put another one in. I don't really know if they lied and didn't do anything to it, you know, who knows. Couldn't tell you, but like I said, it's going to be their problem. I'm going to have them work on it until they fix it. That's just how it is, so we'll see. I'll keep you updated. That's all. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.